the 2013 TGM Park Meadows Puppy Plunge. These two guys have been running around for the last hour. And there's a bunch more here taking a break.
You want to run, Danny? You want to run? Try off
the dog back over there. A couple there. One over there. One swimming there.
Hi, Gannon.
Gannon and Penny. They're all taking a break now, though. And here comes our next contestant on The Price is Right. They're all chilling now. Now it's playtime outside of the pool. Gannon can actually fit through the fence when he is wet. He can fit through that little tiny area.
And I'm going to grab her some water real quick. Okay, come here.